Dive into the world of no-code e-commerce platforms. Unravel the mystery of choosing the right platform for your business. As we journey through this digital landscape, we'll explore popular storefront builders: Etsy, Shopify, WordPress, Square, and Wix. Not to forget, we'll also touch upon special mentions like Figma's Flutter and Google's Appy builder. Each platform, with its unique strengths and weaknesses, is a potential game changer for your business. So stay tuned as we unravel the features, pros, and cons of each platform. Scene Script. Explore the key features of the top e-commerce platforms. Understand how they can transform your business. We'll start with Etsy. Known for its focus on handmade or vintage items, Etsy is a marketplace that connects sellers with buyers. The platform handles everything from payment processing to marketing and analytics. Its primary strength lies in its community of creative sellers and buyers, making it the go-to platform for unique and personalized products. Next up, Shopify. Shopify's power lies in its versatility. With its robust suite of tools, Shopify allows you to build a fully functional online store from scratch. You can manage inventory, process payments, and even incorporate advanced features like augmented reality shopping experiences. Shopify's scalability makes it a popular choice among businesses of all sizes. Moving on to WordPress. WordPress is not strictly an e-commerce platform, but with the integration of plugins like WooCommerce, it becomes a powerful tool for online selling. Its key strength is in its flexibility. You can customize every aspect of your site, from the layout to the functionality, making it ideal for those who want complete control over their online presence. Next, we have Square. Square is best known for its point-of-sale solutions, but has recently branched out into e-commerce. Its online store builder is straightforward and easy to use, with a focus on seamless integration with its other business tools. If you're a brick-and-mortar store looking to expand online, Square might be the perfect fit. Then there's Wix. Wix is a website builder that offers an e-commerce solution. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for anyone to build a professional-looking website, no coding required. Wix's strength lies in its simplicity and its wide range of design templates. Lastly, let's not forget about Figma's Flutter and Google's Appy builder. These platforms offer unique approaches to e-commerce, allowing you to build interactive mobile-first shopping experiences with no coding necessary. Each platform brings something unique to the table, but which one is perfect for you? Let's find out. Now that you've seen what each platform can do, it's time to compare them head-to-head. Starting with ease of use, Shopify and Wix take the lead with their intuitive interfaces and simple drag-and-drop functionality. They are the perfect choice for beginners or those who want to get their online store up and running quickly. Next, let's discuss customization options. Here, WordPress shines with its vast array of plugins and themes. If you're willing to dig a little deeper, you can make a WordPress site that's truly unique. Etsy, on the other hand, provides less flexibility, but ensures a seamless shopping experience for your customers. When it comes to pricing, Square and Wix offer affordable plans suitable for small businesses or startups. Shopify and WordPress, while a bit pricier, provide a more comprehensive set of features and scalability options. Customer support is a crucial factor to consider. Shopify and Square excel in this area with their 24/7 customer support, providing peace of mind, especially for those new to e-commerce. Finally, in terms of scalability, Shopify and WordPress are the go-to options. They can handle increased traffic and sales as your business grows, without compromising on performance. Special mentions go to Figma's Flutter and Google's Appy builder for their impressive capabilities and innovative approach to no-code website building. Understanding these platforms' strengths and weaknesses can help you make an informed decision. With all the information at our fingertips, it's time to make a recommendation. If you're just starting out, Shopify stands out for its user-friendly interface and helpful guides. Those on a budget might find Etsy's low startup costs appealing, while advanced users should consider WordPress for its vast array of customizable features. But let's not forget our special mentions. For those who appreciate the art of design, Figma's Flutter offers a unique blend of creativity and functionality. And last, but not least, Google's Appy Builder is a great choice for those who want to dive into app-based e-commerce. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, and what works best for one person might not work as well for another. Your choice should reflect your business needs, your technical skills, and your budget. Remember, the best platform is the one that fits your business needs and goals. It's time to take the first step towards your e-commerce journey.